Latest crypto and NFT news. NFT collections take massive price hit in 2023. Nifty Newsletter, May 24th, 30. According to the latest edition of the Nifty Newsletter for May 24th, 30, the NFT market experienced a significant price downturn during this period. Numerous NFT collections faced a massive price hit as market volatility intensified. The newsletter highlights that several factors contributed to the decline, including increased competition, saturation of the market, and shifting investor sentiment. The sharp price drop affected various popular NFT collections, causing concern among investors and collectors. Industry experts noted that the NFT market had seen extraordinary growth in recent years, with skyrocketing prices for unique digital assets. However, the market correction witnessed in 2023 indicates a necessary recalibration and stabilization. Not all NFT collections suffered. Some projects defy market downturn and hold strong. While some NFT collections suffered significant losses, the newsletter emphasizes that not all NFT projects were affected equally. Certain high-demand collections managed to weather the storm and maintain their value. It advises caution and thorough research before engaging in NFT investments, especially in a volatile market environment. Read the full news or articles at www.nftstudio24.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.